Hello everyone, welcome to D4Drupal channel. Today we are going to see the difference between DrupalForge and DDEV. So we already have seen about how to install as instance in DrupalForge and how you can access the files and what are the templates we have. We have seen many things about DrupalForge. So today I'm going to explain what are the advantage we have in DrupalForge and what are the advantage we have in DDEV, so you can figure out which one is useful for your use case. So both have separate advantages. So let me explain everything one by one here. First, when you see DrupalForge and DDEV, so type, which means DrupalForge, the complete setup, everything will be in the cloud base. So everything will be stored in the cloud. You can access everything from the cloud. When it come to detail, it will be in a local, it will be in your system. So you can have everything in your system. Everything will be installed. Will be in your system. That is local. And then setup. So for setting up a Drupal instance in DrupalForge, so you don't need to pre-install anything or you don't need to install anything. You just need to click on a button. It will do a setup and it will give you. But when it comes to detail, you have to do some installation before you do the Drupal setup. You have to install like Trash, Docker, something, whatever you want, you have to install everything. So in setup time, so when it comes to DrupalForge, it will take very few seconds. Within 5 seconds, you can have your system launched. But when it comes to DDEV, it may take some times, but it will be useful for the local development. And when you want to access internet for DDEV, you don't need to use internet because it's in your local. You can run an instance without any internet. But when it comes to DrupalForge, you have to enable internet so that you can access the DrupalForge instance. And the next one is sharing. So if you want to share your application, whatever you are creating, so you just need to copy paste the DrupalForge URL in DrupalForge. When it comes to DDEV, you have to do a manual setup or you have to host it somewhere so that you can share the URL with someone. So that is the difference between sharing. And next one is environment. So here, environment in the sense, when you do any working on DrupalForge instance, the environment will be same because the instance is hosted in cloud and everyone is using the same. So you will not have problem like it's working in my system, not on your system. That will not happen. When it comes to detail, it may vary some features. It may vary based upon the system configuration. Since it's a local development, everyone have different system. So it may cause any issue. And then learning. So in Drupal you don't need any basic knowledge to install anything. Like to install any Drupal instance, what are the things you need? What are the configuration you need in the system? So all those not needed. So you can easily launch a site and you can do it. So it's very beginner friendly. And when it comes to detail, you need a complete knowledge of what you're doing and how you're installing an instance. And control, when it comes to DrupalForge, since the site is completely hosted on the cloud, so you will have some access to your files or PHP admin. You can access PHP my admin, database, VS Code. You can access all the files, but you will not have access to server level configuration if you want. And come to detail, since it's in your local, you can have complete control. You can completely do any changes, any server level configuration, whatever you want, you can do with the detail. Use case in the sense when you use any instance in the DrupalForge, you can use it for learning, demos, or workshops, or if you want to do any experimental or POC, whatever you want to do, you can go with this DrupalForge. And when it comes to DDEV, you can have long-term project. So you can install and you can configure anything in both the places. But DrupalForge, it's best for learning demos or POC. When it comes to DDEV, You can have complete control. You can completely do whatever you want to. If you want to build any enterprise application, whatever you want, you can do. And so that's it about today's video and difference between DrupalForge and Reader. You have to decide which one is best for your use case. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.